Hi, my name is Dawn Grossenbacher, and today I am going to create an audio response to an email I received from Screencast-O-Matic to demonstrate my competency and ability of using Screencast-O-Matic. So here's the email I received. I just subscribed to the Solo Deluxe account to experiment and see how I can use these features. So if I were to create an audio response to this email, I would say, Dear Screencast-O-Matic, thank you for allowing me to participate in this application that you have, and I look forward to any tutorials that can be provided so I can learn how to leverage all these different features that are available and possibly get the upgraded professional account later if needed. In the meantime, I look forward to finding ways how to use these features. Thank you again, and sincerely, Dawn Grossenbacher. So this would be my audio response. Then I would, in effort to demonstrate my competency here, I will use text overlays in this email. Change the size, color, and font, and zoom and pan into the screen so you can see the different changes and the different options from what I already know how to use. Create this text box. There's text overlays, can be anywhere. You can change the color of the text and the background. Do this one here. I'll select another color down below. Let's see, pick something small. Use the bigger font size. As you can see here, the font and the font size can be changed too. So we can focus in on this email being directed towards me. This is an example of zooming in. We can zoom in further. Next, to zoom out, I will hold the Control key and click anywhere. So this completes the portion of zooming in and out. This concludes my video demonstration of using Screencast-O-Matic. Thank you for listening and watching.